Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator and I post on Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Today's quick and easy day and I have a really quick box to share with you. I thought this turned out really cute. I wanted to do something fall because I really haven't done a bunch of fall and it's my favorite time of year, so I really wanted to share one. So this is what I'm sharing today. It's so cute. I love these cups. And so it just says today is a fall kind of day. And I am using the Cup of Tea bundle. So that comes with the Cup of Tea stamp set and the teacup dies. So we're using that for that. I'm also using the scalloped contour dies, and that's for this outside piece right here. And then I'm using the Nothing is Better Than, and that's where I got the Today is a Kind of Day. And you've seen me use this a bunch. This is one of my favorite. I think it's my all-time favorite right now. There's been others, but this one right now, I love this one. And this actually was designed by Connie Stewart. And when she hit her $1 million, they get to design their own stamp set. And then use the Alphabest for the fall. All right, so the box is a really, really easy one, but let's go ahead and do our stamping and get all that stuff ready to go. We'll get this made and then we'll get our box together. So I have all my pieces out here already. So I already cut this one out, which is this one right here. I love these dies. They're so pretty. And then this is for our teacup, and this is for the little heart I put on the top of the whipped cream, and then a little leaf right there. So I made this with pumpkin pie. So let's go ahead and stamp. And I am just using pumpkin pie and early espresso for this. And I am using the bronze blend on this as well. So let's go ahead and stamp our cup. I love this little cup. It's so cute. And then while we have this out, we're going to go ahead and stamp on this piece right here. And then it says today is I don't have that on there straight, so hopefully I'm going to get this straight. Today is and then on the very bottom, you want to put kind of day. And that is for our mug that's going to go on there. And then I used my clouds punch right here, and I'm just going to punch from the top here. And I just punched about that much, maybe halfway. You don't even need that much because I'm going to end up trimming some of this. And when we cut out, this is for our little whipped cream, so when we cut out our mug, which we're going to do, I'm going to stamp the little leaf and then we can run it all through the cut and emboss at the same time. So I'm going to use pumpkin pie I wanted to keep it kind of monochromatic. And we're just going to cut that little leaf off there. And then I'm going to run this through at the same time, which is just for the heart. This one is going to be for the leaf, and then this one is for our little mug here, our cup. So I'm going to run those through and I'll be right back. Okay, so everything was run through the cut and emboss. And here's our mug, our little leaf, and our heart that we're going to use. Now what I'm going to do here is this is going to be for our whipped cream on the top of our mug. I'm going to trim this up. So I am just going to trim both sides because I have quite a bit here. So I'm going to trim this side off. And then I'm going to trim here. So before we put that on, I'm going to use my brown Stampin' Blend, and we are going to color to make it look like some maybe chocolate syrup or something. And I'm just freehanding this. You can do it however you like, but I'm just freehanding it. And then I'm just going to color it in. Just like that. It's really easy to do. So then I am going to go ahead, I'm going to use some wet glue, and we are going to put it on the back here. And we are going to attach that here. And before I go any further, I am going to use some glue on here. And I'm going to add some of my Dazzling Diamonds. It's just a really nice glitter. You've seen me use this a lot if you've been following me. If not, we don't carry this anymore, and you can find any glitter like this. This one is so beautiful though. I was so sad when Stampin' Up! Did away with it. But so that is our little glittered mug. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add some glue to the back of the heart. And we're going to put that like a cherry on the top. And that's going to go on here. But first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some of my dimensionals here. And we are going to put those on the back. I put about 3 on there. I love this little mug. And then we're just going to put that on here. I'm going to take some of my linen thread. I'm at the end of this linen thread. And I'm going to tie a double bow. You don't need it really big. Yeah, let me get my scissors here and we'll trim that. And just fool with it till you get it to where you want it. Oops. And then I am going to take a glue dot and we're going to put it right on the handle here. And then I'm going to stick this one under there with some wet glue, and then we're going to make our little fall sign. So this is going to go kind of like right under there. You can actually put it underneath your glue dot. That would work as well. So now I'm going to just take some scrap. I'm going to use the same piece right here. I'm going to use the Early Espresso again. And we're going to do our fall. So you're going to just write F. I love this alphabet. It's just my favorite. I think I just did that one upside down. I'm going to just do them both the same because I already did that one upside down. All right. So we are going to cut this, and you're just going to make it really small because you don't need it very big for this. Make it a little straighter though. Alright, so now we're going to just add this to the front. I'm going to use wet glue again to attach it. And we're going to put that on here. And that's all ready to go. Isn't that cute? Oh, I love this little cup. It's so cute. I just don't use it enough. It's adorable. Alright, let's get our box made. So what you're going to need for this box is a piece that's 7.5 by 6. I'm actually just using pumpkin pie for this, and I am using our cottage, I think it's Cottage Gingham Designer Series paper, Gingham Cottage. But oh my gosh, y'all, if you love gingham, all different colors, all different types of gingham, some bigger, some smaller, and I am using that to mat it. So to mat it, you need two that are 2 1/4 by 3 1/4 and one that's 7/8 by 2 1/4. And we are going to score this. Okay, to score this, on the 7.5 inch side, you're going to score it at 1/2, at 3, at 4, and at 6.5. And then you're going to turn it, and on the 6 inch side, you're going to score it at 1/2, 1.5, and 5. And that is it. Okay, so now to cut this, on this 1/2 inch side, we are going to cut up here. And then this one, you want these 2 smaller squares to stay on there, and then you are going to cut this part off right here. So you want to make sure you have these 2 little squares that are there. Then you're going to cut down here. And on this one, these are our little flaps that are going to go inside. So you're just going to cut those 1/2 inches off, 1/2 inch ones, and then cut into these. And then I also will cut into this part here, just so it folds in the box a little bit better. So this is our glue tab here. You can also cut that in so it looks neater. And then I'm going to cut on each side of these. This is our bottom flaps that we're cutting. So I'm cutting a little bit off from each one. Get that a little bit better. Just like that. So it's going to look, oops, boy, everything's moving around on me today. All right, so it's going to look like that. We're going to sharpen these score marks. And I'm not matting the sides, but if you want to mat the sides, you can go ahead and mat the sides as well. I'm just matting the front, the back, and the top. All right, I am going to use some Stampin' Seal Plus on the little tab here. That's our glue tab. And then just line this up. And line it up really good so you don't see where it's joined. Just like that. And then fold these in, and then the front one will go back. Again, use some Stampin' Seal Plus. Don't use the regular Stampin' Seal. I've had a few people ask me that it doesn't hold their boxes together, and it definitely does not. So then there's your box. It's almost like a crayon box. All right, so let's mat it. We'll just use our seal for this. You can use the Stampin' Seal for this type of thing, like for matting your pieces. Not for boxes, but you can use it for your cards and stuff like that. But I really like to just use my Plus for any boxes or anything you want to stay together for a long time. That's our top piece. You don't even have to mat the back, but I don't know, lately I've been matting the back of things. Sometimes I do get in that mood, and then sometimes I... Alright, now we're ready to add our front piece. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some more dimensionals, and we're adding it with dimensionals. So you probably need 4 for this. I'm getting on the ends, to the ends. Oh, that one didn't come off of there. Alright, so remove your backings. And then we'll put that right on the front. Just like that. And what I used to fill it up were these same pumpkin spice. And I get these at Tom Thumb. By the way, they do have the white chocolate Dove that a lot of people were asking me where I got them and they couldn't find them. They still have a bunch of them there, so I know they didn't go. Someone had mentioned that, I can't remember who it was, mentioned that they discontinued those, but they didn't. They still have those, so if you want to add those Doves to it, oh my gosh, they're so good. They have like graham cracker or something in it, but this is what I used for these because they're so cute and they're so fall looking. So I just stuck those in here. And it makes a cute little like co-worker gift or just a thinking of you type gift. And then you have your little fall box. So what do you think? I think they turned out really cute. I hope you like this one. I've been really dying to do a fall project. I know I've really been into Christmas, but I've been really wanting to do something fall. I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. If you need any supplies, all these products will be listed on my blog. You can shop right from my blog. Here's my October host code. And I hope you have a blessed one. I will see you in the next one, everyone. Catch you later. Bye.